Good afternoon,
Sharks.
Oh my God. Good afternoon, Sharks.
Good afternoon.
I am the manager of the Brunch Bros, and these are my chefs. The Brunch Bros is a 24-hour breakfast. We serve all day, and we are located on 149th and 3rd. When you enter the restaurant, you will always be greeted with the saying. It goes, we serve all day, let the bros make your day. And we serve, something that's different about us is that we notice that people, like when you go to breakfast, other breakfasts like McDonald's or Denny's or IHOP, that they throw away their food, like you can see it or you can smell it, like, or they just serve the same food over and over overnight, and we actually cook in front of you. Like if you walk into our place, we are in the kitchen, like the kitchen is in front of you as soon as you see it. So like we have like packages running in every day. You know, we don't have like old food, we have like fresh based food from
are out now. Don't hold your edges down for long for people who have natural hair. So our product is aimed for people who for people who have different textured hair.
Hair textures from 3A to 4C.
Yeah, so that's the problem. Our solution is basically making a product that contains everything that is used for those textures.
So a lot of people was shot and killed because police said that they had a gun on them. So we came with an invention that cops could use to like identify whether or not that person has a gun on them. So we came up with like an invention called like the gun scan.
Okay, so one of the things that are trending the most right now is like beauty and makeup. I cannot speak for everyone, but like that's what's trending right now a lot, like on Instagram and stuff. So we decided to make our own beauty line called Fun Beauty, which offers a variety of many shades for every skin tones. One of the main problems is that many companies right now don't offer a lot of shades for people that are the lightest shades to the darkest shade. So we just wanted to offer a product that gives you availability to have your shade, so you won't feel left out.
It's called Earth's Essence, and we make organic toilet paper. So we wanted something that is like everyone needs, so no matter what, we're gonna make a profit. So our thing is like people, like sometimes you buy toilet paper or it's really thin, and like most of the time you go to the stores, it's like really cheap thin toilet paper. So we want to partner with big chains like Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, that's into selling organic products, and we want to test out in mainly metropolitan areas where we know people are more likely to buy organic products, and then eventually moving into stores like BJ's and regular delis where it will still be more than the 79-cent toilet paper, but still like the same quality as something that would be like $1 something at a deli.